Hello everyone, I'm DyanDev. Today, we'll dive into the profound system of Surya Namaskara and the chakras. Chakras are the 7 major psychic centers located in the subtle body of a human being, physically represented in various nerve plexuses and endocrine glands. Surya Namaskara consists of a series of postures that pay homage to the sun. This practice plays a crucial role in activating the 7 major psychic centers or chakras in our body. Each chakra is connected to specific nerve plexuses and endocrine glands, deeply influencing our mental, physical, and spiritual health. These chakras are used to focus the mind and develop concentration and awareness during Surya Namaskara. By concentrating on each chakra, we activate them and access the higher psychic and spiritual energy associated with their heightened functioning. Now let's learn about the location of each chakra and how they are activated during Surya Namaskara. 1. Muladhara. For males, it's located halfway between the anus and genitals, and for females, it's just behind the cervix. This chakra is associated with basic human instincts and survival needs. 2. Swadhisthana. Located in the sacral area, its trigger point is just above the pubic bone. This chakra is related to creativity and emotional balance. 3. Manipura. Found at the navel level in the spine, with the navel itself being the trigger point. This chakra is the center of confidence and power. 4. Anahata. Located behind the chest at the sternum. This chakra is linked to love, compassion, and healing. 5. Vishuddhi. Positioned behind the throat in the spine, with the throat pit as the trigger point. This chakra is the center of communication and expression. 6. Ajna. Situated in the center of the head, between the eyebrow center and the back of the skull. This chakra is the center of intuition and insight. In Surya Namaskara, each posture is connected to one of these chakras. For example, Pranamasana focuses on the Anahata chakra and Ashwasanchalanasana on the Ajna chakra. By focusing on the respective chakra during each posture, we activate its energy and bring balance. Especially while performing each asana, we strive to locate the associated chakra and develop our concentration on that center. Initially, this process may take some time, but as we become more proficient in locating the chakras, the practice will speed up. Breath can also be used to stimulate the chakras. For instance, visualize the psychic breath carrying prana into the body via the chakra as you inhale and flowing out of the body as you exhale. During breath retention, become aware of the meeting of prana and apana in Manipura. Of course, these advanced practices should be learned under expert guidance. At this level, Surya Namaskara becomes part of the preparatory practices for Kundalini Yoga. In the practice of Surya Namaskara, we mentally touch all the chakras of the body except Muladhara chakra. This develops the other chakras in preparation for the awakening of Kundalini from Muladhara. The body must be strong and healthy to withstand the power of Muladhara awakening, which is associated with the release of powerful, unconscious forces. Chakra concentration may be combined with mental repetition of mantras, feeling as if the mantra is being repeated in or around the chakra. As the practitioner's concentration heightens, the vibrations of the mantras may be felt to be emanating from the psychic centers, a most wonderful and intense experience. This process of chakra activation is achieved through internal awareness, concentration, and visualization. The physical stimulation from each asana enhances prana shakti, allowing us to better focus and concentrate our mental and physical energies at the chakra location. It's this dual aspect of taking our mental awareness, to a highly charged physical structure which leads to the fusion of mind and body, Ida and Pingala, and ignites the chakra, leading to spiritual awareness. That's all for today, folks. I hope all of you experience physical, mental, and spiritual growth through deeper yoga practices in the coming times. See you next time. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Thank you.